instant multiplications with 11. If any number is given, how to multiply that number with 11. So to show interest, let us start with some simple technique here. For example, take 32 into 11. Okay, 32 into 11. To multiply this number, just write 3 and 2. Add these two numbers. 3 plus 2 is 5. Just keep in the middle. That's it. So 352 is the product of 32 into 11. Any doubt? Just check with the normal multiplication. Same, right? If you take 53, same 53 into 11. Two digit number. So I'm starting with first two digits number. 53 into 11. So according to this, just will write 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. This all internally you can do it. You don't have to use the paper or pen. Just you can internal. 5 plus 3 is 8. Right? Keep the 5 and 3. That's it. 53 into 11 is 583. A simple technique. And see one more. If you take, for example, in case if you get 85 into 11. So these two examples, if you add the digits, 3 plus 2 is less than 10, single digit. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. But is 8 plus 5 is a double digit number, right? It's a 13. So generally that is the 13. But if you write directly 8 and 5, this is not the correct answer because you get only single digit. That's what this 1 will carry to this previous number. 1 plus 8. This one we should add to the previous. 935. 935 is the answer for 85 into 11. This all keep in mind and calculate. Okay, 8 plus 5 is 13, right? 13, 1, 3. So 1 in mind. And 1 we can add to this 8. 935. Right. See the one more example. If it is a 77 into 11. Okay. Need not use the paper, just calculating internally. 7 plus 7. 14, right? 1, 4. 1, 4. But 1 should not write. 1 in mind and 1 and 7. 8. 7 asterisk. Okay, 1847. It's a two digit number. Let us take one more. Okay, 81. This is 847. And if you take 81 into 11, these are directly we can make because 8 plus 1 is 9. So 8, 1, the sum of the numbers 9. 891. Any two digit number with multiplication with 11 this process. In case if you have the more than 2, right? For example, let's take more than 2 numbers. That means take the 3 digit, not only 2 digits. If you have the 3 digits, take some 3 digits number. 835 into 11. Same process, but how to do very fast. The same technique, but how to do very fast. So I am not showing now. So in this series, in chapter 236, so you have the more information regarding the multiplications. So these are the content, not only with 11. Okay, in the place of 11, the similar numbers with 12. Okay, like two digit numbers. How to multiply any two digit. Any number multiply with any two digit, like 11 to 99. So these are the concepts how to multiply with 12. So in chapter 236 in this series only I'll explain there. So I'm not showing. So more multiplications. Let us continue in chapter 236 and even in chapter 8. Total 10 chapters I'm making this series. So instant multiplication is 11 for easy understanding, just for clarification. Show some interest, just I showed you, right? Let us see another one.